वजीर एहसन इकबाल तकरीब से खताब कर रहे हैं, आया को बराह रास्त ले चलते हैं।
United States still has for Pakistan, they have always that sense of commitment to contribute back home, and I hope that Pakistani diaspora will take lead. They will forge partnerships. You are welcome to contribute whichever way you like. You want to work with the government, we would offer you all the support that you need. You want to work with any civil society organization or NGO, you are welcome to work with an NGO of your choice. But not doing something is not an option. I think each of you who has had success, who got his or her education in Pakistan, and whether it was medical education or it was engineering education, and now that in United States you have achieved great success on the basis of the education that your country provided you in your early age. So now you have a responsibility to pay back to these people who need your support. And I'm sure that the Pakistani diaspora will inshallah play a leading role and will set up linkages and bring in their resources, their technology, their experience in whatever way they can bring back to help us rebuild not only the livelihoods of the people but also education and health. And one of the key challenges we face is in the health sector, the health of mothers and children. These areas already suffered from big challenge of malnutrition. The children face the challenge of stunting. And now with this destruction, they have been pushed into hyper malnutrition. So we need to start programs through which we can support these children and mothers so that their nutrition needs are met, so that in future they are raised as healthy children and healthy citizens of Pakistan. So how do you contribute towards building the healthcare system? How can you help rebuild the education infrastructure in these areas? How can you help rebuild the infrastructure? There are opportunities not just of philanthropy but also of attractive business projects. You can create new projects in these areas. In some areas, you can invest in industry, in some other areas in hospitality industry or whichever other business project that will create employment for the local people. So think of any project that you can bring in, whether in business or in social work. That would be a great contribution. And in the end, I would again like to thank USAID for providing this platform, and US government which provided $100 million and has also pledged additional $100 million to help Pakistan meet the challenges of this destruction. But Pakistan will need, I think, a long-term commitment from international community, because for less than 1% carbon emissions, we are the 7th most vulnerable climate change, climate disaster vulnerable country. And God forbid there would be recurrence of such events in future. So therefore we have a big challenge to rebuild our infrastructure which is adaptable and resilient. And that will require huge and big investments. And we hope that international community will show understanding of the needs of Pakistan, and international community will also show an understanding that Pakistan needs to be back in business as early as possible. And I think I am also hopeful that our multilateral agencies will also be more considerate to the needs of Pakistan and remove the air of uncertainty that is not helping Pakistan but damaging Pakistan. So thank you very much. I once again thank Ambassador Donald Bloom, who has been a great friend of Pakistan, and I hope that both US and Pakistan will continue to take their partnership forward with great speed. Pakistan Zindabad.
वफाकी वजीर इकबाल तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे। उनका कहना था कि सैलाब मुतासिन के हवाले से दोस्त मुल्कों ने भरपूर साथ दिया। सैलाब के बायस मुल्क को बड़े पैमाने पर जानी और माली नुकसान हुआ। सैलाब मुतासिन के हवाले से NGOs का किरदार भी लायक तहसीन है। उन्होंने मजीद कहा कि पाकिस्तान के अमेरिका के साथ देरीना और दोस्ताना ताल्लुकात हैं। ओवरसीज पाकिस्तानियों ने भी सैलाब मुतासिन के लिए बढ़ चढ़ कर मदद की है।